is Siham Karim. My friends usually call me Sam. I'm come from a village in southern Garut. I'm the second of two children. My sister and I are 2 years apart in age. She is an elementary school teacher. My father is a school principal and my mother is a housewife. I studied elementary school at SDN 1 Tanjung Jaya. I continued my junior high school at Al-Masduki Islamic Boarding School. Yeah, I used to be a santri. Then I continued my high school education at SMAN 6 Garut, where I lived with my sister because it's far from home. In high school, I majored in science. I'm currently continuing my studies at Bandung State Polytechnic by majoring in telecommunication engineering. When I was at school, I made a solar electric car project. Because of that, when I was in college, I was interested in joining the robotics student activity unit. With the competence I have, I hope that in the future I can create great technology. I want to be an engineering and have a career in every part of the world. I have many hobbies. There are watching movies, listening to music, and singing. The genre of movies that I like is action, especially in the field of technology, such as Marvel, Iron Man, Ant-Man, Interstellar. Because watching movies of that genre can add imagination and great ideas. I have hobby of listening to music and singing. That is why when I was in college, I was interested in joining the choir student activity unit. This is the first exercise from Choir Polban. In my spare time, I usually reading with my motorcycle, with my friends, or reading alone because it's fun for me. Let's move to the next topic. I will describe a people, namely Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was a renowned scientist and engineer in the fields of physics and electricity. He is known for his contribution to the development of the three-phase electric power system and various other inventions in the fields of electricity and electromagnetics. Tesla also had a futuristic view of technology, including the concept of wireless energy and global communication without wires. Nikola Tesla had a distinctive appearance in his day. He was a tall man with long, bushy black hair. He usually wore formal suits or Victorian suits with a thick mask adorning his face. Tesla had a sharp and focused gaze and exuded an aura of calmness and intelligence. His style of dress and appearance reflected his serious personality and dedication to scientific research. Tesla was many things in his life, but best known for his design in modern alternating current or AC power supplies, and even our modern electrical grids wouldn't have been possible without him. Nikola Tesla's life was a complicated one and his brilliance would lead to a certain existence. Tesla believed his mind to be superior to everyone else and he let others know it. Some of the smartest inventors of his time would work with him, but Tesla was already figuring out mathematical equations and complex scientific problems in his head. Unfortunately, many of his inventions went no further than his head. So, take a look at what Nikola Tesla was all about. Relegated to virtual obscurity after his death in 1943, many of his projects have been gaining popular interest in the last 20 years. You might say Nikola Tesla was an electrical genius. He currently would qualify for a modern-day electrical engineer and physicist and would have loved the world of wireless connectivity we have today. Tesla's brilliance would never be appreciated by the world in which he lived. He was creative in his own way, thinking about an idea, forming it fully in his mind, and then creating it for all the world to see. No one knows what Tesla's tensor score was, and no one should care. IQ is no longer locked on as the number one magic bullet to a life of success. Many other factors are necessary in order to be someone who makes a difference during their lifetime. Tesla relied on his imagination to fuel his life. More successful people come to mind when you think about who invented electricity or the radio. This could be because our lunatics didn't always present themselves at opportune times to Nikola Tesla. Historically, there isn't much record or evidence of Nikola Tesla's personal or ethical failings. However, like any other human being, Tesla also had complex and controversial sides to his life. One of the criticisms he received was related to his financial and business choice. Tesla had a tendency to focus on research and technology development without paying attention to the financial aspect. This led him to often experience financial difficulties and rely on financial support from others, including some figures such as J.P. Morgan. In addition, Tesla had a strong rivalry with Thomas Edison, especially in the context of the electric current war between Tesla's alternating current or AC and Edison's direct current or DC. This rivalry could at times result in harsh rhetoric and recrimination between the two. However, it is important to remember that assessment of history and figures should include a variety of contexts and perspectives. And Tesla remains one of the most influential figures in the history of science and technology. This motorcycle was a birthday gift from my parents when I became 17 years old. This motorcycle is a sport scooter motorcycle manufactured by a Japanese automotive company. Its sporty design caught my attention with sharp and futuristic lines that give it a modern and aggressive look. The engine is powerful, using a 4-stroke gasoline engine with a capacity of about 155 centimeter cubic. The performance of this engine allows it to provide quite good acceleration and is suitable for urban use. There are many advanced features such as keyless ABS or anti-lock braking system, LED headlamps, digital instrument panel, USB charging system, and Bluetooth connection that allows connectivity with smartphones. Good front and rear suspension and beating tires provide stability and comfort while riding. This motorcycle has a reputation as a sports scooter that offers a blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. Now, I will describe my hometown. Garut is a district located in West Java province. The capital of this district is located in the Tarogong Kidul subdistrict. Garut borders Sumedang to the north, Tasikmalaya and Majalengka to the east, the Indian Ocean to the south, Cianjur and Bandung to the west. Garut received the nickname Diamond City, which was given directly by the first president of the Republic of Indonesia, namely Insinyur Soekarno, around 1960 when he was visiting Garut. Apart from that, Garut also gets the nickname Swiss Panjapa because of the large number of foreign tourists who admire the natural beauty of Garut. Tourist objects, there are mountains, beaches, and Cipanas. There are many tourist attractions in Garut. Mount Papandayan is one of the most popular mountains in Garut. In fact, Mount Papandayan was once used as a shooting location for the film G. Another set of mountains are Mount Putri, Mount Guntur, and Mount Cikuray, which you can climb to enjoy the natural beauty. Apart from the mountains, you can swim and fish on the beaches. There are Santolo Beach, Rancabuaya Beach, Sayang Padang Beach, and many more beaches. If you want to rest and soak in hot water, you can visit Cipanas. There you can also play waterfall. Garut has some traditional foods such as dodol, opak, kolontong, burayot, and dorok-dok. In Garut, you can find many street food made from tapioca flour. You can find many bakso aci there. Compared to other regions, Garut's bakso aci is known to the tastiest. In fact, in Garut, there is also a bakso aci festival, which is quite magnificent and attracts many visitors. From Bandung, you can use motorcycle or car, bus, and train. In 2021, the population of Garut will be recorded at 2.6 million people. The people are friendly and nice. There are many activities that can be done in Garut. You can farm, garden, catch fish, culinary, and other. Babancong is a historical landmark in Garut. Garut has two seasons, they are rain and dry season. The average temperature in Garut hover around 20 degrees Celsius all years. Atmosphere in Garut is nice and comfortable because it's not too dusty and there are no traffic jams. Mecca is holy city in Islam located in the Hijaz region of Saudi Arabia. The city has special significance for Muslims as it is here that the Kaaba is located. The sacred building that is the Qibla direction for all Muslims during prayer. Mecca is one of the two holy places in Islam, the other being Medina. The city of Mecca is surrounded by mountains, especially the Hira Mountains and Jabal Nur. The buildings in Mecca have unique architecture, with the dominance of white as a characteristic color. One of the famous landmarks in Mecca is the Grand Mosque, which is the largest mosque in the world and the holiest place for Muslims. Every year, millions of Muslims perform the Haji pilgrimage in Mecca during the month of Dhul Hijjah in accordance with one of the pillars of Islam. Hajj activities include various rites, including tawaf around the Kaaba, sa'i between the hills of Safa and Marwa, and spending time in the field of Arafat. Mecca also has a deep historical richness, including historical places related to the life of the Prophet Muhammad SAW, such as the Cave of Hira, where the Prophet received the first revelation. In addition, Mecca is also an important cultural, trade, and economic center in Saudi Arabia. I want to go to Mecca to perform Hajj and also live there because Mecca is a holy place and a safe place from the Dajjal.